One of the most ancient and fascinating questions humanity poses is whether life exists on other planets. Scientific advancements in space exploration, discoveries of exoplanets, and the search for water within our solar system bring us closer to answering this question. However, the answer holds not only scientific importance, but also profound implications for philosophy, religion, and culture. Scientific discoveries suggest that the conditions for life may be far broader than previously imagined. For instance, exoplanets in the habitable zone, where temperatures allow liquid water to exist, are no longer rare. Additionally, traces of organic compounds on Mars and oceans beneath the icy surfaces of moons like Europa or Enceladus give hope that life in the universe may take unexpected forms. If scientists find evidence of life beyond Earth, it will reshape our understanding of the universe. From a scientific perspective, we would gain the ability to study other biological systems, uncover new laws of chemistry or evolution, and find keys to understanding life's origins and possibilities. From a philosophical standpoint, discovering life on other planets could challenge humanity's sense of uniqueness. If we are not alone in the universe, what is our place in it? Such a revelation could prompt re-evaluation of the meaning of our existence and our relationship with other forms of life. The societal consequences of such a discovery would be profound. Some people would welcome the news with enthusiasm, while others might respond with fear. New movements could arise, focusing on studying or even making contact with extraterrestrial life. At the same time, concerns and debates about potential risks could emerge. Religious beliefs might also undergo transformation. Many religions view humans as the central creation of God. How, then, would the existence of other forms of life be explained? These questions could lead to both crises and evolution in religious doctrines. Contact with intelligent extraterrestrials would pose the greatest challenge. It could be a source of knowledge exchange, new opportunities, or, conversely, conflicts due to differences in development levels, mindsets, or values. Thus, although we do not yet know if life exists on other planets, the search itself is already transforming our understanding of the universe. The answer to this question could mark the beginning of a new era in human history, opening not only scientific, but also spiritual horizons. Thank you for watching.